Hey, what's up guys, this is Pro Wolf Trader. We are right now entering into New York session. We are in pre-New York. Today is 7th January 2025. Day is Tuesday. Today we have high impact news. We have USD PMI and we have tonight FOMC meeting minutes. Yesterday on Monday, market continued its Friday rally where we saw gold drop down and then remove those losses. The drop happened after a news platform intentionally released the fake news, which was later mentioned by Donald Trump's Twitter account that he didn't pass any comments regarding any tariffs. So then gold, after losing all those negative points, gained back, and we saw a huge cluster of volume enter into Forex at the same time, followed by crypto boys who pumped Bitcoin to previous all-time high levels and finally broke past 100k. Let's also review that. If you guys were following me since the last week, I give an analysis on Bitcoin in which I mentioned why this level is really important, and we have two possible outcomes on this zone. If Bitcoin is able to break past this zone, is going to enter into the next phase, which is most likely we're going to see a breakout below 90 range. And the next possible outcome was that if there's a rejection like it was earlier on, and there was 70 to 80% chance a rejection will happen, and if it rejects, it's going to most possibly go back and retest the golden zone within the Fibonacci retracement, which was followed by 0.1618 till 0.382, in short 96 to 98,000 range, and it broke past key resistance area 98, which was the first first barrier towards breaking past 100k, and once it broke past, it broke past 100k, and now in order to move above, we are seeing a healthy retracement back till 146k, and now we got it. And now as soon as the New York open, just like yesterday, we're gonna see the crypto boys pushed up. Yesterday we saw as soon as the New York opened, the crypto boys pushed the price up, and now we're gonna see the same. Now why this is happening? This is happening because on 20th, my mistake, I write 18. On 20th Jan, we are seeing Donald Trump. He's gonna be inaugurated as the second time President of United States of America. So this is why I said it's going to take possibly 2 weeks for the rally, and the move that I was waiting that is going to happen, that's going to take like entire 1 week, happened in a day. Instead of going in a zigzag sideways range, it broke past 100, and now we are having a healthy retracement, and soon after this healthy retracement, we're going to enter into a buy push momentum. So this area, most likely you can sell it short term, scalp it, but whereas I see it, this is an opportunity to enter a long, given that we just wait for the New York session to open and we enter. This is not a financial advice. You can follow your own trading setup, but I advise you guys to stick with your swing trades. I did last week advise the exact same thing, most likely 2 weeks before that, on 24th December, and just afterwards, even right around here, I was advising everybody, people in the premium subscription group, they followed my trading plan, they are in profit. Those of you who saw my weekly analysis, and even during my last stream for the past 2 weeks, I was calling out that please buy within this zone, manage your risk, put your stop loss somewhere below 91 if you have taken a buy from here, and they did, and they're in profits. They already booked their profits. They are sitting on break even with some of their trades that they will carry on till 20th January when Donald Trump is going to be inaugurated, and guess what, that's when the all-time high new will be made. So this is what we're going to be following. Anyways, coming back to gold, as I said, those of you who know me, who have been following me, know that I follow Elite Wave, I follow Fibonacci, and a bunch of other trading setups. And as for now, my eyes is on this Elite Wave. I don't care what the data comes. I'm just gonna follow the Elite Wave. Elite Wave is never wrong. I might get, I might make a mistake based on the data, but even, right now the kind of data we are getting, bad news is good news is bad news. You think of one thing and the other thing happens and the opposite happens, and then you're sitting down and wondering what the hell you need to do in order to become profitable. So my answer is for that question is stick with your plan. I don't know what you're doing, but have a higher time frame to see the direction and do whatever you want to do that. Yesterday when it dropped down, I immediately knew what to do. This was the second impulse wave, and I just entered on the drag pile, and I also gave the signal in the premium group. People made profits on that. So if you want to join the premium subscription group, please message me. By the way, I'm transferring all my Telegram subscribers into Whoop. It's another trading platform. It's not a trading platform. It's a platform where you can do all wonders. So I'm transferring everybody over there. So it's an ease of access, and there are lots of stuff over there that I can also, share with you guys easily without any hassle. Telegram has restriction, but that platform don't have any. I'll be using Discord and Whoop basically for signals and other sort of activities, live streams, mentorship. And even if you guys keep on messaging me, if you guys have any problem due to the restrictions of payment from Visa and MasterCard, I will keep some groups on Telegram so you guys can pay your fees in USDT or crypto. So let's move on to gold. Gold is what gold does, just waiting for the New York session to open. As soon as the New York session will open, we will look where it's headed. As for now, all I see is, entering into a buy. I don't want to mess this up. All I will do is open a buy on the pullback. Again, I say if you are on a buy only. If you are on a sell only. What the hell is happening? Why is this chart not? Here it is. This was the signal yesterday, and we are still following that signal. All our TPs are already hit. TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are hit. All I'm waiting for is TP 6 to hit. TP6 is 2655. That's all I care about. I'm just waiting for the gold to fall back, do a small retracement so I can enter long. If it doesn't show what do you call a retracement, we might have to make a hard decision, enter a buy given on this range. Also, if you have any question, you can ask me up. Dang. So we will be practicing the use of Fibonacci today. I'll be teaching you, yes. Since this is an educational stream, I will carry on where I left last time. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to use Fibonacci retracement properly, so you guys can never have another hard day. Now what you see in front of you is a Fibonacci retracement on a intraday high and an intraday low, and how important this zone is. Most possibly we are seeing a price rejection. Okay, so here we are again. Let's stick with our plan, whatever that plan is. Let's just stick to it. If let's just suppose it's able to break past this zone, then it might be we have to enter. Actually, we are on a long, we are holding a long. We are holding a long over here, but I'm trying to get a re-entry. A nice re-entry would be so good around this zone. We have to keep in mind that this is a key zone. But if it breaks past this zone, then nothing can hold it. I'm all the way up. Just 8 minutes left for the New York Open. By the way, guys, if you like this stream, please like and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon to stay notified. Just 8 minutes left. 7 minutes left for the New York Open. As soon as New York opens, we're gonna get busy. Lots of busy. We have high impact news first of all. We will be looking at high impact news today. Looking at PMI and JOLTS jobs opening. Again, remember, good news is bad news is good news. We have PMI, JOLTS, then we have FOMC meeting minutes. This is enough to, move the market. I don't know what trades you guys are holding, but my trades are running on what you call Bitcoin and gold. Bitcoin has been providing me with enough profit. Bitcoin is the key. Gold is also giving me nice profits. Today, I have picked one side for gold, and that side is the bullish side. Now, if you're wondering why I'm buying, because I'm following the elliott wave pattern. I don't care what kind of data comes. I'm just following this pattern. According to this pattern, what we saw earlier on, we saw a higher high followed by a lower low. Now, if you're wondering, yes, I drew this before this anything, even this shape. I drew this when it was dropping down, and I was like, okay, if this is the drop, then trust me, go check my previous stream, the stream on Friday. So anyways, so here we are, and it's moving forward. Even on Friday, when the high impact news was about to release, I just opened this elliott wave and chart, and I just sat here and just saw this, and I'm like, okay, I don't care what kind of data it comes. Good news is bad news is good news. Is all the way around. Market doesn't stay the same way all the time. This is January, it's a new year, new things are gonna happen. Market is gonna come with all sorts of new tactics. Biden is going, thank God that lunatic is going. Even the JP Morgan, yesterday they said that they have their forecast was $3,000 for gold. till the what do you say till the first quarter till the end of the first quarter of 2025. Now they said no, we might have to reconsider their they have said okay, it's like below 3000, or they're not even sure that it's gonna hold on to this all-time high. So in short, it looks like Fed is hawkish. Fed chair Jeremy Powell is looking forward to pausing the interest rate cut, or if possible, trying to avoid this question during the press conference. Mostly he tried to focus towards jobs, unemployment and inflation rate and jobs market, labor market. So we have pretty much after this week, the next week. First of all, today we have PMI, George, and what do you call Fed meeting minutes. Then tomorrow we have around what do you say, somewhere in between, what do you call it, between Wednesday and Friday, in between on Thursday we have Chinese stimulus. Now you go, what? No, it's new loan. Of course, they're gonna pour lots of money into the economy, so it's gonna affect the stock market. Don't know what's gonna happen, but pretty much I'll be awake on during Tokyo session. And on Wednesday we have crude oil inventories. On Thursday we have natural gas, and on Friday we have Canadian unemployment and USD NFP. Now, given also the ongoing situation in Canada, the PM is resigning over there. So if you're somebody who's trading the Forex pairs, you might need to look out. Okay, so after this week, the next week on Monday, we have bank holiday in Japan. Then on Tuesday, we have USD PPI. Wednesday, we'll have again CPI. Next week, Wednesday, we have CPI, the most important. And let's fast forward to the third week on 20th January, we have Donald Trump inauguration as second time President of the United States of America. And Gary Gensler, he's resigning on the same day as the vice chairman. Anyways, so this is what we have over here. Good, nice. Yup, it's going up. If you have any question, you can ask me, while in the meantime, I'll do some work. I am here. Just waiting for the news. Is headed up. 16 minutes left for high impact news. If I'm correct, let me double check it. Yep. Oh, wait a second. ISM will take some 1 hour 45 minutes. Jolts will even, almost 2 hours. It's alright. We can make some nice profits. It's gonna most probably pump up before it. Before that, we might see it break above 2680 because it's headed up. I think it might just keep on pumping till ISM, PMI and Jolts release. As soon as they release, it might drop down, make a retracement, then carry on with the upward momentum. And that's exactly where we will enter. We are already on a buy. This was a premium signal yesterday. Yesterday I didn't stream, but Friday I did. And on Friday, just like on Monday opened, it just carried on from where it left on Friday, just kept on doing its thing. In the morning in the London session, we saw a news channel post some stuff regarding Donald Trump, which was not true, and the market dollar index just dropped down along with gold just pumped up. And then as soon as Trump tweeted, no, he didn't say anything, the dollar went up and gold came down. And then later on in the New York session, we saw gold go up, followed by crypto boys who pumped gold in New York open. The start of a new beautiful beginning, the start of a new beautiful year, because this year we're gonna make an all-time high. Most probably the crypto boys are gonna try to break all-time high and try to make a new all-time high before Donald Trump's inauguration on 20th January. So we have lots of profits to be made, given that we follow our trading plan and we follow each and every step precisely without any need of intervention, without any need of change of plan. Just follow your trading plan no matter what you do. This area is really suitable for a buy entry. Now you'll be like, no, I want to sell. Listen, do whatever you want. I'm following my trade plan. We are on a buy. We are holding a buy. By the way, TP6 has been hit on gold. Let me double check it. TP6 was 48 and TP7 also hit. Okay, good. Good. So in short, this was premium signal. All TPs have been hit. We shorted here, first we bought, then we short, then we bought again, we made lots of profits. This was just yesterday. This signal, by the way, is from this buy. Before that we sold and previously we bought. And it's going up as usual because this is what I planned, right? I said I'm gonna ignore everything and I'm gonna follow the alert wave. Alert wave is never wrong. We might be, but this thing is never wrong. And I still people don't understand. Well, I cannot force anybody. I can just follow what I'm doing. And now it's about to touch 2660. Then I will most likely wait for a... Oh my god, this push. Beautiful. अभी ये जैसे कि ये एरिया है ना, ये एरिया बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर यहाँ से ब्रेक कर गया, अगर नहीं किया तो फिर यहाँ से गिरेगा नीचे। हाँ, रिट्रेसमेंट तो होगी, अब कितनी होगी नहीं पता, लेकिन अगर सक्सेसफुली ब्रेक कर जाता है यहाँ से तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं करता तब भी कोई बात नहीं। बिटकॉइन पम्प कर रहा है, बिटकॉइन भी मोस्ट पॉसिबली एंट्री है, ये बाय कर लो। हाँ, बाय कर लो बिटकॉइन पे। बाय एंट्री है ये। हाँ, बाय एंट्री तो है बिटकॉइन पे, उसका पता नहीं कि बाकी चीज़ों का, लेकिन हाँ बिटकॉइन पे बाय एंट्री बन रही है, मैं बाय कर लूँगा। फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस नहीं है, अगर कोई देख रहा है तो हाँ वो कर सकता है यहाँ पे बाय, लेकिन फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस नहीं है ये। आप अपना स्टॉप लॉस अपने हिसाब से रखिएगा अगर यहाँ पे बाय कर रहे हैं तो। पुश आने वाला है, बस कभी भी पुश आ सकता है, जैसे ही पुश आएगा फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है फिर। अभी जो हमारा सबसे ये जो की एरिया है ना वो है इधर से बाय, ठीक है, बाय तो यहाँ से बन रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस आई है ना, सॉरी सपोर्ट आई है ना, यहाँ पे की सपोर्ट एरिया है ये। तो यहाँ से क्योंकि ये हायर लो, और इधर हमारे पास क्या बोलते हैं हिडन बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस था, जिसकी हेल्प से हम लोग ऊपर गए थे। और अगर यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पे भी यही हो रहा है, ये रिट्रेसमेंट एरिया है। वी नीड दिस हेल्दी रिट्रेसमेंट इन ऑर्डर टू मूव अबव 103। तो इस वजह से हम लोग इधर आए हुए हैं। और गोल्ड पे अगर देखें तो वी हैव अ रिजेक्शन, मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली अ रिट्रेसमेंट। सो हम वेट कर रहे थे फॉर अ 15 मिनट कैंडल टू क्लोज बेरिश। ऑफ कोर्स 15 मिनट कैंडल बड़ी है, सो 15 मिनट कैंडल हैज़ टू क्लोज अंडर 2655। फिर हम लोग जो है अपना शॉर्ट टर्म सेल स्कैल्प खोल सकते हैं। लेकिन आई एम गोना वेट फॉर दिस ड्रॉप एंड आई एम गोना एंटर अलॉन्ग। मैं वेट करूँगा कि ये ड्रॉप कर जाए, उसके बाद बाय करूँगा। क्यों? बिकॉज आई एम बेसिकली फॉलोइंग एलिट वेव, मैं एलिट वेव फॉलो कर रहा हूँ। सो मोस्ट लाइकली आई एम गोना स्टिक विद एलिट वेव के कुछ भी होता रहे। वी हैव अ PMI and jolts after like 1 hour 45 minutes, so disregard of what the data is coming, मैं जो हूँ वो I'm gonna stick with the एलिट वेव, मैं एलिट वेव के साथ स्टिक करूँगा। सो दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव इन माई माइंड। और अगर आपको लगता है दैट इफ़ यू फाइंड दिस रियली डिफ़िकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड, देन मुझे नहीं पता कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए। आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू गाइस नीड टू डू, बट मोस्ट लाइकली स्टिक विद वॉट एवर यू हैव इन योर माइंड। फॉलो करें जो आपके जहन में है। मोस्ट लाइकली दिस इज़ ऑन अ इंट्राडे हाई, इंट्राडे हाई है ऑन अ इंट्राडे हाई। दिस जोन इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, ये जोन बहुत ज़रूरी है। वाई? बिकॉज इफ़ यू गो बैक टू 5 मिनट, अगर आप 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे जाएंगे, सो यू विल सी, आप देखेंगे दैट टोक्यो लो जो था अराउंड आज के सेशन में, टुडे सेशन वाज अराउंड 2632। आज के सेशन में जब टोक्यो ओपन हुआ था 2632 पे हुआ था। इट ओपन है 2632 एंड इट वेंट, टोक्यो हाई वाज around 2646, Tokyo high 2646 था. So and then it closed, Tokyo पे closed to around 2640. Then the London basically carried it above Asian high को तोड़ के 2646 के ऊपर गया, around which we saw most likely a resistance area, a rejection, but this rejection was soon broken. फिर ये rejection break हो गया and we saw a break above this, and all this was possible because we understood how gold is moving. हम ये possible हुआ कैसे, जब हमने देखा कि gold move कर रहा है in a specific direction, gold is moving in a specific direction. These areas were really important. ये areas बहुत ज़रूरी थे समझने के लिए. Why? Because and first of all, whatever trading plan you have, जो भी आपका trading plan है, you need to have something as a backup. For instance, I use Elliott wave. मैं Elliott wave use करता हूँ for backup. Why? Because it helps me find the direction. Yeah. So like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever I go live or upload any videos. और हम now is close to 2664. ये 2664 के बहुत ही करीब है. If it's able to break past this zone, then we most likely we're gonna see a continuation towards 2680. हम फिर देखेंगे कि ये 2680 की तरफ जाता है. We are already holding our longs from this area. हाँ, because this was a premium signal. Even before that, on Friday we opened a buy and a sell, and yesterday I didn't stream because I was extremely busy, but we did manage to buy and sell, and then I buy the dip on New York Open, and that dip made us enough profits, and some of our trades are still running on break even, so it's a win-win situation for us. Given that I'm just waiting for a healthy retracement so I can enter a buy. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ retracement का. If we will see a retracement around this zone, but most likely on a 1 hour candle will still be bullish. एक बार की candle bullish होगी, but you know, apart from that, you know, we have to focus on a specific direction. Anyways, hit the like button, and there are 5 people watching. Please hit the like button and hit the subscription button. It really helps. By the way, today's stream is gonna be really long. And let me just look at the data. मैं data देख रहा हूँ, एक मिनट वेट करिएगा. Today we have So yep, this is all we have. How much time is left for the New York PMI? Sorry, New York Open is about an hour away, half an hour. Wait a second. Yeah, New York is 1 hour away, and Jolts and PMI is 1 hour 27 minutes away. अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं चैनल को. बेल आइकन को हिट करें टू स्टे नोटिफाइड जब भी मैं ऑनलाइन आऊँ या कोई एनालिसिस की वीडियो अपलोड करूँ. फ़िलहाल हम लोग अपना एक प्लान फॉलो करेंगे जो कि है बाय ऑन गोल्ड. हम उसके अलावा और कुछ भी फॉलो नहीं करेंगे. 20 गोल्ड इज़ सिटिंग एट 2660. गोल्ड 2660 पे है इस वक्त. हमने ये सफ़र तय किया है काफ़ी दिनों के बाद. most likely this was really hard for a lot of holding on to this buy was really difficult. We hold it at around from 2588, then we had to short around from this zone. उसके बाद ये बहुत मुश्किल था, लेकिन apparently it was a win-win situation. अब बात करते हैं थोड़ी बिटकॉइन की. बिटकॉइन सबसे पहले if we have to, in order to understand Bitcoin, you have to understand what's happening on intraday. If you go back to my previous video on MicroStrategy. It was a 3-minute video. I mentioned that okay, you need to focus on this area. This is the zone. 2 possible outcomes. 2 चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. यहाँ से यार ड्रॉप कर जाएगा. अगर ड्रॉप करता है तो हमारा सेल ऑर्डर यहाँ पे रखा हुआ था तैयार कि भाई एकदम से ड्रॉप आएगा तो वो ट्रिगर हो जाएगा, फिर हम लोग उसको नीचे जाएंगे. उसके अलावा हमारा बाय ऑलरेडी था जिसका स्टॉप लॉस राइट जहाँ पे हमारा सेल लिमिट है वहीं पे हमारा स्टॉप लॉस था, जस्ट इन केस कि अगर वो गिर जाता है. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. बिटकॉइन जो है वो ऊपर जाने लगा और फिर डे 1 पे हमने नज़र रखी. एंड आई वॉज एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस वीकली ट्रेड प्लान टू ऑल द प्रीमियम गाइज हु वर देयर एंड मोस्ट लाइकली दे डिड फॉलोड इट अप. सम पीपल वर होल्डिंग देयर थिंग्स, मेजॉरिटी वर जस्ट स्कैल्पिंग. ऑलमोस्ट 18 से 15% लोग थे जिन्होंने स्विंग को होल्ड किया है. 80% लोगों ने सिर्फ स्कैल्प किया है. लेकिन जो स्विंग पे होल्ड करके बैठे थे वो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट में है. उन्होंने स्कैल्प भी किया लेकिन वो स्विंग को कैरी करके लेके गए हैं. अगर हम आ जाएँ उसके ऊपर बाद हम 4 आवरली पे, तो ये हमारा चार्ट है. इस चार्ट पे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा तवज्जो रखनी है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये चार्ट ना सिर्फ आपकी हेल्प करता है इस स्विंग में, बल्कि आपको ये भी बताता है कि अगर आप स्कैल्प कर रहे हैं एक डे 1 के टाइम फ्रेम पे तो आपको कौन कौन सी चीज़ें मद्देनज़र रखनी है. सबसे पहली चीज़ ये है कि आपको देखना है कि वो जो एक जोन होता है जहाँ पे मोस्ट लाइकली प्राइस जाके रिटेस्ट करेगा वो कौन सा है. इन दिस केस 1 लाख समझ लो 10468 ये जोन अपने ध्यान में रख लो. ठीक है. अब स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ नहीं रखना है, ये बेवकूफ़ी नहीं करना. जब भी ये जोन हो उसके तकरीबन समझ लो 500 से 800, 500 से 1000 कर लो. 500 से 1000 जो है ना इधर तुम्हारा होना चाहिए स्टॉप लॉस. और ये जहन बना लेना कि ये हिट होगा ही होगा अगर ये इसको रिटेस्ट कर रहा है. फिर जहाँ से वो रिवर्सल लेना शुरू करेगा ना वहाँ से एंटर होना है. अगर हम एंटर हो जाएंगे कि चलो भाई एंट्री कैसे लें, तो आपके पास ये है. ठीक है. कहाँ गया ये रहा. ठीक है. ये आपके पास आ गया. अब आपके पास ये 5 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम बना हुआ है. अब आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा ना आपको एंट्री कहाँ लेनी है. सबसे पहले आप एक इंडिकेटर होता है मार्केट सेशन का. ठीक है. आप जाएं वो लगाएं, टाइम जोन सेलेक्ट करें अपने जिस मुल्क में भी आप बैठे हुए हैं उस हिसाब से. फिर आप जो है वो अपना जहन बनाएं कि ठीक है भाई मुझे वेयर डू आई हैव टू टेक द एस एंट्री. यू हैव टू मेक अप योर माइंड. Okay, New York just started. So in New York, 2 things gonna happen. The crypto boys are either gonna pump it or they're gonna, just nothing's gonna happen. And given that we switch the 5 minute into 15 minute, 5 मिनट को हम 15 मिनट कर लें. So we have a rally based rally. अब बोलोगे यार ये rally based rally क्या होता है. So भाई rally based rally जो है ना वही होता है कि when it pumps, it reaches a certain zone and then it does a fake out, then it pumps up. What I see कि भाई जो मुझे नज़र आ रहा है ना कि रैली बेस रैली है, पंप हुआ, फिर अब ये रैली बेस रैली होता है. अब ये डम क्यों है? मोस्ट लाइकली अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स इट डज अ फेक आउट बिफोर इट पम्प्स फर्दर ऑन. वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टूवर्ड्स PMI and JOLTS which will release in after 1 hour 20 minutes or so. Till then we will just hold on to our trades. So yes, a lot of things can happen. A lot of things can happen which can result. अच्छा, also keep in your mind this all time high is sitting at around here. All time high हमारा यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. For any possible scalps, look at 5 minute and 15 minute time frame. 5 मिनट और 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे आपको नज़र रखनी है for any scalp setups. अब अपना जहन बना लो भाई कि सीधी सी बात है, ज़्यादा जो है ना मतलब उल्टी सीधी हरकतें नहीं करना है. अगर आप बाय कर रहे हो तो सिर्फ बाय करो, सेल कर रहे हो तो सेल करो, बाय सेल मत करना. एट द सेम टाइम यू मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली गोना मेक मिस्टेक्स. बाय कर रहे हो तो स्टिक टू बायज. सिंपल है. सो if there are 2 probable outcomes that you are gonna lose profits, you're gonna make pips or lose pips. So in this case, if you just stick to one side, you're gonna stick to one side. If you are buying and selling at the same time, and if you don't know what is the current direction is, or if you are the market is just messing with you, you can most probably get stop loss every time you enter a trade. So likely just wait for it. जिन्होंने भी ट्रेड ले ली इस जोन से वो इस वक्त अभी सुकून से बैठे हुए हैं. ठीक है. उन्होंने पार्शियल प्रॉफिट भी ले लिया, उनकी ट्रेड ब्रेक इवन पे बैठी, बस सुकून से बैठे हैं। वो जाएंगे न्यूयॉर्क सेशन के बाद जाके सो जाएंगे, ठीक है, आराम से उनको चैन की नींद आएगी, ठीक है। जो स्कैल्प कर रहे हैं वो यही बोलेगा काश मैंने अपनी ट्रेड खुली रखी होती तो मैं जो ना अभी प्रॉफिट में रहता। ये माइंडसेट का फ़र्क होता है। इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ कि स्विंग में स्कैल्प करो, स्कैल्प में स्विंग नहीं करो। अब बोलो कि यार ये एक ही चीज़ है, नहीं, उसके उलट मतलब है। अगर तुम एक स्विंग सेटअप ढूंढोगे या लॉन्ग सेटअप ढूंढोगे तो उसके अंदर आराम से तुम वो ट्रेड होल्ड भी कर सकते हो और उसके अंदर स्कैल्प करते हुए जा सकते हो ऊपर। अब तुम एक ट्रेड है उसको बंद कर दो, खामखा तुमने इतनी मेहनत से वो सेटअप ढूंढा, उसके बाद तुम उसको बंद कर दोगे। समझ से बाहर है ना ये चीज़। कुछ लोगों में सब्र नहीं होता भाई, सब्र कर लो। अगर चलो भाई नहीं सब्र हो रहा तो फिर ये सोच के सब्र कर लो कि तुम एक दिन स्कैल्प करते हो, तुम 10 दिन करोगे, वो 10 दिन इकट्ठा होकर हाथ में आ जाएगा, ये सोच के कर लो। क्या पता उससे ज़्यादा आ जाए, ज़्यादा 80% चांसेस में ज़्यादा ही आता है, क्योंकि वो पुश आता है तो वो एकदम से आता है। और and we have every possible reason to hold on to this buy. The first reason is that this is January, this is the month Donald Trump is going to be inaugurated as the second time president of United States of America. So agar as soon as he comes, you're going to start signing the bills. And we have lots of reasons. We have the Solana is also going to jump up because on 24th September, Solana ETF is getting approved. Besides that, a lots of other key areas where we can talk about this. Like who was that? What was this guy's name? क्या नाम था उस बंदे का? गैरी जेंसलर। वो रेजिग्नेशन दे रहा है 20 अगस्त को, उसी दिन डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प का इनाग्रेशन है एज अ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स का प्रेसिडेंट। सो वी हैव सो मच हैपनिंग नाउ। लेट्स हेड बैक टू गोल्ड। ओके, सो दिस इज गोल्ड. So what do you say? The rejection I was looking for is not coming. So I have two choices to make. मैं दो चीज़ें कर सकता हूँ. Either I can enter a buy, put a stop loss at 26.55 and I just pray that it goes up, or secondly I just sell it and the sell will definitely hit a stop loss. So my third option is that I was on a long since this this area 26.17, so I'm gonna wait. But if somebody who's scalping should stay away because this thing will burn your account. बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है इस रेंज में ट्रेड करना, लेकिन हाँ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दीज थिंग्स, ये चीज़ें समझोगे तो फिर कुछ होगा ना। मैसेजेस देख लेते हैं कुछ। ओह ओके, चलो ये सब तो चलता ही रहता है, छोड़ दो, ये सब चलता रहता है। अभी rejection का wait है. Most probably looking for a rejection. If this drops down, again I'm saying I'm not a really big fan of a sell. Exactly where is this zone? I don't understand why. I'm just waiting for a new 1 hour candle, and most likely on the pullback on that 1 hourly candle I will decide either to enter a sell or a buy. Till then, stay tuned and hit the like button and subscribe. Hey, what's up, Preeti? Preeti, you're always late. And there was one more guy. What was his name? John. No, Peter. His name was Peter. Peter was also texting me. Where are you guys, man? You guys need to wake up. I know it's winter. You probably, you like to sleep, but you need to wake up. Pretty, how are you? How you been? How's your trading been? By the way, guys, join the Telegram group and join Discord community too. The link is given on Linktree. Click on Linktree and join the Discord community. It's absolutely free to join. You are late. Well, always be on time. Always be here before New York Open. It really would help you. Most likely you have to listen to the stream from the start. Yeah, so and so. Anyways, I have exciting news for everybody. There are some days when I'm extremely busy. I cannot stream. So for that, what I will do is I will live stream on Discord. So if you want access to that, all you need to do is join the Discord. Yeah, you are on Telegram, but what I'm saying is that since yesterday I was really busy, I could not stream. Probably have some internet issues too. So be on Discord. Over there, I was sitting and I live streaming. When I'm working, I live stream. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I already made up a VC. So I'll be sitting. And yeah, but I'm just saying this because I'll be streaming for like 3-4 hours, but then I'm there. When I'm not streaming, I'm there and I'm streaming there. And there are some days like FOMC meeting minutes, CPI and a bunch of other. So I'll be streaming there. I'm getting extremely busy. It's hard to manage now. And I'm moving my Telegram subscribers from Telegram to Whoop. Is a platform, so I can better manage them because it's hard to manage. If you guys have any question, you can ask me up. Just waiting for fresh 1 hour candle. It looks like this is a retracement. ये रिट्रेसमेंट लग रही है, लेकिन यहाँ से हम कुछ कह नहीं सकते. Looking at day 1, it looks like I'm just waiting actually. If you guys have any question, ask me up. By the way, guys, 6th batch of Pro Wolf Trader is starting from 1st February. You have whole 1 month to save up and join the batch. The last date of registration is 31st January. Only 20 seats are allocated. So this is first come first serve basis. Plus premium subscription membership is available. Also, I'm bringing an exciting news for you guys. A lot of people, they texted me that they want some trial of the, what do you call, the signals, and some people were like, sir, our budget is low. So I got an exciting news for you. 1 month premium subscription is available for $100. So I have exciting news. I want you guys to vote for it. I have decided to give access for 15 days for half the price, for 15 days. So it will cost you around $50 for 15 days. And it's not a lot if you look at it, if you have a low portfolio. It's not that much for 15 days. You know, I can give it for free signals, but I've been doing it for quite some time, and I've decided whatever returns are going to be coming, I'll be reinvesting in the community. The page is building up. I'm hiring staff. So yeah, if you also want to be part of the Pro Wolf trading community, you can message me up. Probably I'll ask you some questions, you know. You need some trading experience, of course. But if you don't have any trading experience, it's alright. After joining, after a certain period, you will be, you know, given task. Anyways, let's come back to trading. So 9 minutes left for the 1 hourly fresh candle. So I can decide what to do, either to sell or buy. It looks like a sell. It looks like a sell. If it drops down to 2640, it will be a nice healthy retracement. We need this retracement to move above. We need this retracement over here to move above. If we don't get that retracement, we might get into trouble. But as I say that everything that's happening in the matrix, the matrix is always trying to get you. You need to understand. Why? What do you mean, liar? Come on, man. What do you mean, liar? Dude, come on. Well, that was strange. Give free signals then. I've been giving free signals for 5-6 months. For free signal, I have decided something. I will make a separate group, and there's a certain criteria to join the group. Once you join it, you will get free signals, like one daily free signal. But the condition would be that you have to join a specific broker, sign up, send the sign up code. Once you are verified, you will be given that link. This is the only way, because in this manner we will be getting something in return. Because I've been giving free signals non-stop for 4 months, 5 months. Go on all my live streams. The first 3 months, all I did was just give free signals. So much that a lot of people who joined the premium were the people who followed the free signal. They later joined the premium signal group. Afterwards, like after November, whoever came, he was already late. But even then, if he would have joined the premium subscription, he made enough money. But I'm talking about the guys who were with me from the start. They took the opportunity to understand everything, and then once they saw with their own eyes the result, they joined. But now, since 2025 has started, what I'm doing is I will be giving free signals, but for that you have to sign up on, let's just say, Exness. Exness is a broker, okay? I decided that I will provide a link, sign up on Exness using that link. Once you are signed up, you will be added on that group. 1 gold signal daily. It's enough. It's more than enough for you. Some days, when the market is really choppy, I will avoid giving any signals because I'll try to keep up the win rate up of that group. But by the way, I don't know what brokers you guys are using, but Exness is a nice broker. It has nice spreads. No, they haven't paid me for anything. I'm just sharing. There are lots of brokers out there, but Exness is definitely one of them. Yeah, I know, Pretty. I know by a majority of the people who come on the stream, Peter, Azad, and a bunch of other guys. I don't know where they are. I know you, everybody in the Pro Wolf community. Those who are here, those who are not here, either they're busy or they're, whatever that's happening in their life. What were you saying? Okay. Why do you want us to sign up? Because that's what it will take you if you want to sign up. If you sign up, only then you will get the into the group of the free Telegram. Basically, what I'm asking you to do is to trade on that specific broker. If you trade on that broker, only then you will. Why? Because the spreads are low, is good for you. Plus, whenever you make profits, I will get commissions. That's what you wanna hear? That's the truth. हाँ भाई, कहाँ हैं सब? बैठे हुए हैं सब यहाँ पे? ओ अभी भी हैं लोग? मैं यहीं पे था भाई, मैं थोड़ा काम कर रहा था, spiritual analysis. I was busy in spiritual analysis, if you know what that means. Anyways, we are back. So apparently we have around, how much time is it? कुछ नहीं, नमाज पढ़ने गया हुआ था मैं और अभी आया हूँ। अब सही है, मुझे डबल डबल सुनाई दे रहा था। एनीवेज, लेट्स स्टिक विद द प्लान। व्हाई यू आर लाफिंग प्रीति? व्हाट्स आवर नेम? आवर नेम? आवर नेम? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय आवर नेम? Okay, so how much time is left? We still have plenty of time left. Jolt is about to release. We have Jolts, baby Jolts. Jolts release होने में कितनी देर रहती है? We have around half an hour for the Jolts. So yeah. We'll waiting for the Jolts. After Jolts, with Jolts, PMI and yup. इसके बाद देखते हैं क्या होता है. Holding on to some trades. Most likely we're gonna see a push momentum. Gold is likely gonna retrace back because this retracement is necessary in order to move further up. Plus we are getting a PMI and Jolt, so the data is gonna be mixed. What's your name? Well, my name is not necessary, my work is necessary. You can call me Pro Wolf. That's what my name is. Pro Wolf. So we're gonna be getting mixed data. We have PMI and then we have Jolts. So for a lot of people out there, it's gonna be tricky one. So I'm gonna be making things easy for you. Good news can be bad news can be good news. Again, I'm saying good news is bad news is good news. I will be trading live on the news. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification. So whenever I go live or post any video, is available to you. Well, pretty, I don't know why you are asking my name. I'm not on social media. If that's the next thing you wanna do is like search my profile. I'm not on social media. I'm nowhere. I'm a ghost. I don't believe in social media. I'm not on social media. I stay away from the matrix. I don't want matrix find me. I keep my personal life. I keep it low profile. I move amongst the people. I stay low profile. That's the only way to survive in the concrete jungle. In a third world country, even in a developed nation, You have to keep it low profile. If it's a tax-free country, then this is another story. But yeah, okay, possibly looking at push. Okay, why are you crying? Come on, grow up. Anyways, guys, 30 minutes left for PMI and jolts, so get ready. This data is gonna be really interesting. Yeah, I'm back. So we have around how much? 40 minutes left. No, sorry, 20 minutes left for the PMI and jolts. And why you crying, Preeti? Where is what you say, Peter? I said grow up because grow up. No, don't ask any personal information. No personal information. Waiting for gold to make a retracement back so we can enter a buy again. Okay, so here's the thing. Good news is bad news, bad news is good news. If jolts and PMI come lower, it's good. Bullish for gold. If it's comes higher, then it's bad for gold, bearish. But in this what do you say, market, good news is bad news and bad news is good news. I think bad news will be good news. It means that if the data is higher, instead of going down, gold will go up. But if it's good, what do you say, lower, it means good news, then it's bad news. So I know your mind is fucked up. But anyways, in short, if it's good news, then it's bad news. That's all you have to worry about. So just wait for the data to come lower and then you will see gold drop. I mean, this is market, it's like this. So yeah, we need that retracement to further move up, but it can move up. But I see this retracement happening, and then mostly from here I see this retracement happening, and then or the pullback happening on the next hourly candle, and on that push we're gonna see it head above. I see it like this. Other than that, I don't know. I don't know what you guys see, but this is what I see. $15 is still what do you call troublesome, but if you stick out 30 minutes, you'll see what's happening. But waiting for the 15-minute candle to close, and that this 15-minute candle is gonna close after 5 minutes, I think it's gonna be a rug pull. Just waiting for the Bitcoin to move above. The stream is running for 2 hours 12 minutes. Who's still here, by the way? Who's watching the stream and not replying, not talking? Stay active. I think anything can happen at this point. There are two possible outcomes. First is it will go up, which is most likely the elite wave outcome. Second is makes a retracement, then goes up. So whatever happens, we're gonna wait for it. Most likely, since gold is bullish, it will carry on this bullish momentum. And yeah, let's just talk about what's happening in the what do you call Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just moving up. Bitcoin is making a retracement. This is the zone which I said that if we see a retracement back from this zone, only then we will enter a buy, and this area seems like a nice area to enter a buy. And look at this pullback on 15-minute. It's happening here again. Hey, what's up, Michael? Just saw the message, man. How you been, man? Where you been? Say, is pushing up. Gold, Bitcoin is pushing up. It's pushing up. Bro, where the fuck were you? Completely disappeared. My team was trying to reach back to you. Apparently, my Twitter has been handed over to a social media team. They're working on it now. I'm completely away from social media, just focused on trading. I only sit in Discord. That's it. My social media team is taking care of all the Twitter. I'm coming. Twitter I'm launching. Instagram and Telegram. And by the way, I'm moving everybody, all the subscription group A, B, C to another platform. I will be announcing it soon. Because lately Telegram is I'm having some issues with Telegram because it's restricting me. So I'm moving it on another platform. I will be updating on that. I just want to focus on trading. Because social media is not my thing. My thing is working. Happy New Year to you, brother. Merry Christmas, man. Back-ended. I hope you spent the weekend really good. What's happening over here? Bitcoin, by the way, if you guys look at, here is the chart. Hold on, Michael, my mind is going back and forth. This is intraday, okay? So intraday, as soon as it goes above 107, so much, just put this in your mind, 102, then boom, is gonna go up. This area, as soon as it heads above this zone, is just intraday bullish. Gold is dropping by, and I gave you guys the hint to short from this zone. PMI and Jolt is about to release. Again, I'm saying good news is bad news, bad news is good news. I have seen today all messages. My wife have been checking my messages. Oh, nice, brother. I hope she checks all your messages, if you know what I mean. Let me know. I will... brother, my... what do you say? My admin, and they will give you right now... they're looking at it. They'll give you access, brother. Don't worry. Welcome back. Just focus on the trading. Lately, a lot of guys, because of vacation, they were back and forth. And they had trouble with a lot of things. So I'm moving from Telegram to another platform. So it's easier for me to see what's happening, because I'm not looking into social media, because my head is way too busy in work. I cannot just... it's like during the middle of work, it's hard for me, I cannot concentrate. I just like to switch off everything and sit down. Love you too, brother. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas. And I hope you are in touch with Mexc. I don't know where he is, man. Mexc, if you are watching this, I hope you made profit, brother. The break-even lord. And we just make fun of him because we love him. In a nice way. Bullies, bro. Yeah, pretty much Telegram group is becoming deactivated because I'm moving the Telegram, the signal group on Telegram to another platform. Because on Telegram, a lot of scammers are coming, they're messaging, they're annoying the community. they were spamming people messages, and then Telegram reached out to me and somehow restricted the community. So this is why I was just stayed away. I'm moving to another platform. Most probably I'm gonna stick on Discord and another platform. But yeah, my DMs are still open on Telegram. That I will keep it open. I hope your wifey took those trades, man. I hope your wifey took the trades, man. I don't know, man. I hope he's profitable, man. I don't know where he is. As far as I know, everybody had Discord access till 5th or 7th January. That's when the guys, the moderators, they basically took the access. Everybody have access before that, because I said that it's Christmas and it's New Year's holiday. So don't do anything, just leave it till then do whatever that's necessary. So afterwards they started taking actions. After I gave them 5 January. Now I'm totally not looking into that. All I'm looking into is trading, live streaming, that's it. So I can focus on, making profits so everybody can benefit from it. But I was like, where the hell is everybody? I know it's Christmas was around here. Bro, it's gonna hit at 4.5. I know what I'm talking about. I read 5-6 hours totally. I mean, not in just non-stop 5-6 hours. I mean, I've been reading for the past 3-4 days. If I specific in total 5-6 hours daily, I used to sit 20 minutes read, 20 or half minutes. Half hour, 40 minutes, all the weather, everything, the stuff that's going on in Europe, UK and America is like, even right now I'm watching channels and I have sources, man. It's way bad. And weather is something which cannot be forecasted. It changes in real time and it's looking really bad. And I don't care what other people say. I'm on a buy. I don't give a fuck. I'm holding my buy. It's always those crazy people who make money. Then later it's like wherever the majority are, half of the time it works, they're right. But sometimes you have to, look at be reasonable. I'm being reasonable at net gas. I'm looking at all the weather, everything, even following up with what Rob Paul said. But I don't agree with Rob Paul. He is shorting, but I think his analysis regarding the weather is accurate. But I think he's making a mistake shorting at this time of the month. I think most probably he have to start shorting after March. Till March, even if it drops, you can scalp it, but around this zone, no, hell no, I'm shorting this area. I know there is a gap, but no way. And go, by the way guys, 8 minutes left. And again, I'm saying good news is bad news, bad news is good news. So the good news is that if the data is lower, it should go up, but good news is bad news. So if the data is lower, gold is gonna go down. Why? Because good news is bad news is good news. Keep repeating with me, good news is bad news is good news. Good news means that lower data pushes gold up. Bad news is higher data, gold goes down. But instead it's the opposite. Good news is bad news is good news. If the data, if the PMI, if the jolts are lower, instead of going gold up, it's gonna go down. And it's gonna go down till a certain range, and from that range we're gonna buy. Oh my god. Just wait for the data, in short. No, it's not necessary, because that gap, because in the past this has happened a lot of times, that the gap got filled. . but later on it wasn't where is that guy? I told him to give you access. I don't know. I can't find your ID, man. It's so hard. I forgot your ID. Vanquish, right? I'll do that later. Message me, remind me. I'll have to do it later on. Just 6 minutes left for the news. I'm just selling gold. I don't know till where, but if news is bad, listen. Good news is bad news. Bad news is good news. Don't focus on anything. Just forget what I said. Alright, just forget what I said and just sell gold. That's it. Say nothing, that's it. By the way, who was trading when you were dead? Who? Because those were some really nice trades, man. Because finally November, December is over. Now everything's gonna be smooth. Bitcoin is just gonna... Bruh, come on, man. Anyways, OPEC December oil output falls by 50,000 from November to 26 million BPP, led by the UAE and Iran. Okay. Survey by UAE and Iran. Their output has decreased. Yeah, because Trump is coming. More sanctions, restrictions. Saudi saying that the demand output was low. It was just a bullshit. They were setting up playground for increasing the oil prices. That's what they were doing. Whenever you see some, in this world, no good news is good news. Okay, it's a bad news. If they talk about reducing if they say there is no demand on certain commodity, equity whatsoever, then and they expect that the price will drop down, they're just saying it's gonna go up. Just like around 91, you heard, Bitcoin is gonna drop down. Oh, it's gonna drop down. Oh, it's gonna drop down. It's gonna drop down to 80. No, it was the other way around. Just this area around 98, 99 is just gonna throw it up. Anyways, 4 minutes left. Let me turn on the... Okay, here we have around... How much time is left? Is it 8 PM or... Yeah, is it... Yeah, it's 2 minutes left. Okay, so it's expected to be lower, okay? ISM PMI... Oh, sorry. PMI is expected to be higher, okay? And... Jolts is expected to be lower. Okay, so the data can come mixed too, but I think whatever happens is gonna drop down. Good news is bad news is good news. Okay, Bitcoin is below 100k. Nothing is special, just usual. Just waiting for the data. Looking at the market. Two minutes left. Bro, yeah, enter now. I thought you were. Wait a second, you are not in the group, are you? I think. No, he removed it. Yeah. Yeah, mostly entered 5960 is a nice area to enter. Enter here. Yeah, enter now. With a stop loss, of course, at 2670. Yeah, keep it tight, baby. But yeah, it's gonna drop down for sure. Look at it. I mean, it's clear it's fucking gonna drop. Till 34, 37, God knows 30. From there, I will look for a buy. Yeah, look at this. A sweet drop. This was a premium signal. Been making profits, man. I'm just concentrated. You know, since I handed over my social media account and I'm just concentrated on working, it was going really good. Because I know my mind was like getting distorted, disturbed. You know, I cannot handle it. You know, it's like I need to focus. I didn't, man. The social media team did. As I said, I'm not looking into. I told them not to. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, data is here. I don't even need to look at the data. Look at it's dropping down. We have a drop. We have a drop. We have a drop. There were people for like 2 months. There were like a lot of people whose subscriptions were not paid. And I told the moderator to not remove anybody because it was Christmas and holiday season. I told them whatever traction you want to take after 5th January. Okay, US jewels opening is higher. Higher is bearish for gold. So actually it's happening. You know, I was thinking the other way around, but actually if the data was lower, if it would have pushed gold up, but the data came in higher, so it's going down. It's not mixed. Let me see if it's mixed. ISM is higher and Jolts is higher too, which basically means a drop on gold, baby. Here we have it. Easy sweet money. Like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon if you like the content. Sweet as money, baby. And that's a drop. Not worried about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is gonna go up, just a minor retracement. Gold is going down. Yeah, man. Nothing, man. Just this is just as usual. Nothing new, you know. This is just normal day work for us. Bitcoin is gonna start pulling back, doing a pullback, but gold will most likely drop further down. Gold can even drop down to 2619, I can't say, but yeah. Who does live trading? Help! I don't know, man. The profit taking area is determined by you. I will take profit around 2630 because this is 1 hourly candle, right? I'm gonna wait for 1 more hour candle. That means after 1 hour this thing is gonna drop down more. Maybe this candle drops down further down or does a pullback. I don't know, but I'm in this sell. I'm not closing it now. net gas. Now I'm more focused on net gas entry. I have to make net gas entry, not now, late hours New York, right when New York is about to end. Late hours, baby. Sniper shot. Listen, the cold weather is not the problem. The problem is trying to find where the volume is sitting. I know it's cold, you know it's cold, but why the fuck is the price is dropping then, right? That's the question. Because of the volume, you need to find the volume. I read the news, I know what needs to happen, but if it's happening the opposite, I try to find where the volume is sitting. It's like you're hunting, it's like you're trying to catch a fish, but there's small fishes and big fishes. So I'm trying to catch that big fish, big ass fish, and that big ass fish is probably deep down. Small fishes are in groups. You can catch them and you can call it a day, but you need to wait. You need to wait. You need to fish. That big fish comes out in the night, right? Not gonna come in the morning, it's gonna come in the night. In the dark. In the full moon. That's when you wait and watch and hunt. So this is the elite wave. I think you got the access now. So this is what I was talking about. I drew this way before anything happened. So right till here, 36, 37 I think, maybe it dropped down good, 32, 30, that's better. This area is where I will look for buys. Till then, it's dropping now. Now since we are done with PMI and jolts, I'm gonna look at what we gonna get tomorrow. Net gas entry might be, I think you have the access, right? Come sit in the premium VC. We'll talk about it. Come sit in the premium VC after stream. We're gonna talk about this because I'll be ending the stream after half an hour or so. Maybe in 15 minutes, I don't know. And I'm gonna take a small break, then I'm gonna talk about net gas. I read the last message, but right now my mind is fixed on gold. Gold, and because I'm not worried about natural gas. Natural gas is slow. It's like train, it moves slowly. Then it's choo choo. This area 98,889 is a re-entry area. Price will most likely bounce off. This is the zone, and this is exactly where we will get another hidden bullish divergence. When we will get a hidden bullish divergence, when we have a specific entry setup, and then we will enter the trade. But till then, yep, wait for it. I gave the entry over here. I gave a hint to people who are watching. I marked this up over here. I do these things. If you are smart enough to know what to do, you probably made profits. Congratulations. I'm not giving any more free signal, but if you want free signals, I'm making a group on Exness. I don't know, on WhatsApp or God knows where. All you have to do is sign up on a specific broker and then start trading. You guys will get, I will think 2 to 3 signals per week or something like that. When people are asking why you need to join it, because I get commission, I get paid. Whenever you make money, I will get commission over it. It will not be from your profits, it will be given by the broker. So yeah, nothing is free in the world, and all that money will go back in the community and will go in charity organizations, mostly the Palestinian kids, and I'll try to as much donate to Palestinian kids and some cancer foundation, whatever that I can find. I want to do this for them. And yeah, when you have nice intentions, God help you. So yeah, I'll see how many people join the free group. Because majority of the people, I know their equity is low. They can't even afford premium. Even I will bring up a small package like 15 days signal package for gold. Eva, I'm not liking Eva, I'm killing it. Only on just natural gas, but recently started trading gold too. So yeah, I think I should take profit on gold. I'm having that feeling that I should take profit on gold, but my heart is saying wait another half hour. But I think I might. Yeah, I'm closing gold. I close gold. Is enough for me. I know it will go down further, but I will buy. I know it will drop down more, but I will buy from the bottom. I'll just book my profits because I can see a possible retracement happening on Bitcoin. And a bunch of other places. How many hours has been? It's been 2 hours 43 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes more I'm gonna stream. I'm gonna stream for 3 hours. And then I'm gonna log off. Waiting for this 15-minute candle over closes bullish. I'm gonna... This is 5 minute, I know, but I'm talking about 15-minute candle. The 15-minute closes bullish. Then I will wait for another 15 minutes. Then I will enter a buy. Good, Michael. Michael, I think you have access. Yeah, I gave you access. It is you, right? Yeah, I gave you access to the premium. You can join the Discord. For Signal group, you have to wait because that is in the social media hand. But you can join the premium. By the way, guys, 6th beginner batch is starting from 1st January. The last date of registration is 31st January. You have 1 whole month to figure out what you're gonna do. I'm teaching batches, for one in Tokyo session and the other one in New York session. So whatever time suits you according to your time zone, you can join. Besides this, premium subscription membership is available. I am moving my premium subscription members from Telegram to another trading platform, and I'll be updating on that soon, and it will have more features. Plus, if you are somebody who just wants to trade on gold, just wants gold signal and want to take a week or 2 week premium VIP signal, I made a $50 small group for you guys. It's for 15 days. You can join it. $50 is nothing. You guys make more profit. And that's how it is. It's going up. I'm just waiting. Maybe it goes up and boom, it goes down. So I'm waiting. Okay, what is this? Rapala. Oh, God help us all. Holy shit. Lord have mercy. Yup. Whether I already know, I need production. By the way, Donald Trump said that he's gonna lift the ban on oil rig. This forecast is bearish. Nope. Yeah, they're withdrawing more, but it's not keeping up with the demand actually. When they dropped so many bombs in Middle East, what they were thinking, what the Mother Nature is gonna do, the exact opposite. We're gonna see extreme cold climate. So many bombs dropped in Middle East, man. And Ukraine and God knows. You think the Mother Nature ain't gonna do shit about it? Okay guys, I am ending the stream because I'm tired and I have to read netcast stuff. Plus, if you made profit while watching this stream, join the free Telegram. Just go join, open the LinkedIn and you'll have access. You have everything over there. And looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is just, don't worry, a pullback is coming. This is just normal stuff. This is just like a big six. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Based on the data from PMI job, we should see, I'll guess, yep, it will eventually. Just give me 10 minutes, I need to do something and I'll be back. Okay guys, thank you for watching Pro Wolf Trader. This is live New York session. 44 minutes left for the London session to close. I am signing off after streaming for 3 hours. I hope you guys made profit. I see you guys soon in tomorrow New York session. Till then, take care of yourself. This is Pro Wolf Trader signing off.